Holy moly, I don't know what's going on here, but it just came into a dust storm? Holy Christ, it is. This just came out of nowhere. Look at the wind blowing. How fast is the freaking wind here? I don't know what's going on with the internet. Wind compass, windy, the weather channel, nothing has this listed. Wind compass says that the wind is like 3 miles an hour, and that is not true at all. I mean, you can see there's parts of trees and crap all over the road here. Back a little ways, I had to shut down the camera and focus on the road like hardcore, because it was like 50 miles an hour. It was blowing so hard, and then it just, you couldn't see anything on the road because of the dust. I mean, visibility was severely limited. Maybe 5 car lengths in front of me is all I could see. And you can still see on the right hand side there's branches and leaves and all kinds of crap that got blown down. I don't know where this came from, but there is nothing forecasting it. This is something that could have been dangerous in a camper coming through it, because there was nothing on any of the apps that were forecasting it. Wow, you can't see the mountains over there or nothing. Never seen something like this here. What is going on up there? It's like a dust rainbow. I didn't even know that was possible. This is crazy.